Hi, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. I'm glad you all came to watch me make something this afternoon. I decided to make an apple and banana dessert, and it is just apples and bananas, and they're frozen, and you put it in your Ninja or your blender with a little bit of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and you mix it up, and we're gonna see how it comes out. I watched somebody on YouTube yesterday do it, and it looked really good, so I thought, hey, why not give it a try? As you all know, I'm on a plant-based way of eating, and what that means is whole foods way of eating, and I got to a certain point where I wasn't dropping weight anymore, and so I watched a couple videos and learned that I need to leave the sugar and the flour alone so that I can start dropping in weight again. And about 4 weeks ago, I started not having any breads, no flour products, no sugar, and I've dropped 8 pounds already. So if you get to a plateau when you're on a plant-based diet and you just think, oh, what am I doing wrong? I don't cook with any sweeteners really. Look and just make sure that it doesn't have added sugars to it, and also be careful with the flour products. So that's breads, pastas, just anything that would have flour in it. You don't want to eat that if you're trying to lose weight. So basically all I have is vegetables, and I have fruit as I'm making this, and I have oatmeal, because you can have oatmeal. And that's about it, really. And I'm liking it. I'm full. When I get up from the table, I'm full, I'm satisfied, and I've lost 8 pounds in 4 weeks. And that's really good for me. So, okay, so after your frozen dessert is finished, which mine isn't yet, but it will be shortly, you can add some flaxseed milk, and that's just fiber. Like maybe I added this, and that's like a teaspoon, but it's probably a little bit more than a teaspoonful. And then okay, because I am trying to lose the last like 30-40 pounds that I have to lose, I will not be adding nuts to mine. But on a plant-based diet, you can have walnuts, and these are found in the cooking section. So you don't want to get them that they roast them and they have salt and oil and all that. You don't want that. Or pecans. You don't want it to, you don't want it to be processed at all. So this is just walnuts that don't have no grease or salt, and this added grease and salt fats. And this is pecans. And you can add these to this dessert if you're not trying to lose weight and you just want a healthy snack. And you can add those some chocolate morsels if you needed to have a little chocolate in yours. Okay. So we are going to taste it and see what it tastes like. Oh, it is really good. You're gonna have to try it. You're gonna love it. So no more ice cream. Get rid of the ice cream. Just get you some fruit. Put it in the blender, and you have a frozen dessert that's very healthy for you. Okay, until next time, bye.